What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the best hat heat press machines on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. VEVOR 3-in-1 Autocap Heat Press Machine. Say goodbye to the meticulous testing process with VEVOR's automatic heat press machine. A simple click of a button initiates the seamless operation, effortlessly adjusting pressure and closing instantly. Upon completion, the machine emits a gentle prompt, signaling the end of the heating cycle, freeing users from constant supervision. Expanded heating plate size. Embracing versatility, the 6.41 by 3.15 inches heating plate sets VEVOR apart from competitors, accommodating an array of hat styles including berets, baseball caps, bucket hats, and more. Crafted from high-temperature resistant aluminum and coated with Teflon, the plate boasts anti-adhesive properties, minimizing maintenance while maximizing performance. Consistent heating excellence. Experience uniform heating with VEVOR's innovative mica heating elements, meticulously dispersed for optimal coverage. With a temperature range of 40-210 degrees Celsius/104-410 degrees Fahrenheit, achieve flawless transfer effects on various materials such as cotton, linen, polyester, and canvas, ensuring consistent results with every use. Number 4. VEVOR 4-in-1 Hat Heat Press Machine. Imagine the joy of adorning your hats with personalized designs, be it images of loved ones or custom patterns. The 4-in-1 Hat Heat Press integrates 4 heating pads, ranging from 6 by 3 to 8.1 by 3.5 inches, catering to diverse printing needs. From beginners to experts, unleash your creativity without constraints. Enhanced heating plate size. Experience unparalleled adaptability with the spacious 8.5 x 4-inch heating plate, surpassing competitors in size and functionality. Whether it's berets, baseball caps, or bucket hats, the Teflon-coated aluminum plate ensures uniform heating and easy maintenance, reducing downtime and maximizing productivity. Intuitive digital control. Achieve precision and efficiency with the smart digital control system. Dual screens display Fahrenheit/Celsius and time simultaneously, eliminating the hassle of toggling between settings. With a gradual heating range of 104 to 410 degrees Fahrenheit/40 to 210 degrees Celsius, achieve superior transfer effects on various materials effortlessly. Effortless operation. Designed for comfort and convenience, the VEVOR hat press features an ergonomic long-arm handle for effortless pressing. Number 3. VEVOR Cap Heat Press Machine. The VEVOR heat press boasts a 3.5 inches by 5.5 inches Teflon-coated cap platen, ensuring even heat distribution and superior transfer results. Its compact desktop design makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from small-scale home projects to bustling commercial operations. Precise digital timer and temperature control. Take full control of your printing process with the integrated LCD regulator, allowing flexible adjustment of temperature and time settings. The machine features a temperature range of 0-750 degrees Fahrenheit and a time range of 0 to 999 seconds, ensuring precise customization for every project. An automatic alarm signals when the desired settings are reached, ensuring consistent results with every use. User-friendly clamshell design. The space-saving clamshell design maximizes workspace while maintaining a safe distance from the heating elements. Number 2. Super Deal Pro 2-in-1 Hat Cap Heat Press Machine. The Super Deal Pro Heat Press Machine is a versatile tool for arts, crafts, and sewing projects. Whether you're creating shirts for your family or catering to clients, this machine ensures a lasting impression. From t-shirts and bags to ceramic tiles and plates, it efficiently transfers letters, numbers, images, and more onto a variety of flat-surfaced items. Space-saving design. With its swing-away 360-degree rotation configuration, this heat press machine helps save space in your workspace. The pressure knob allows for easy adjustment, enabling you to control the pressure according to your project requirements. Precise digital controls. The digital LCD timer allows you to preset the desired time, while an audible alarm signals when the time is complete, preventing overexposure. The temperature control feature lets you set the desired temperature in Fahrenheit, ensuring precise heat application for optimal results. Even pressure distribution. The handle applies closing pressure evenly across the entire platen when the clamshell is closed. Unlike machines with bare metal heating elements, the Super Deal Pro machine features a Teflon-coated surface that prevents scorching of transfers. Number 1. Fancierstudio Power Heat Press. Unlock the potential of professional-grade sublimation printing with the Fancierstudio Power Heat Press. Engineered for industrial-quality performance, this 15 by 15-inch digital heat press is your gateway to impeccable t-shirt designs and more. The Fancierstudio Power Heat Press boasts a robust steel frame and aluminum heat platen, ensuring durability and consistent heat distribution. With 1,400 watts of power and precise temperature control ranging from 0 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, achieve professional quality results with every press. Advanced features. Experience unparalleled convenience with electronic time and heat control, allowing precise setup for flawless transfers. The adjustable pressure feature ensures optimal contact between the transfer and substrate, while the included Teflon sheet provides added protection and ease of operation. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.